We're going to learn about what's called the vertical line test. And the vertical line test helps us tell if a graph is the graph of a function or something that's not a function. We can graph every function, but it's not always true that a graph will be a function. So here's what the vertical line test says. The vertical line test says a set of points represents y as a function of x if and only if no two points lie on the same vertical line. Okay, so what that really means is a graph is not a function if any vertical line hits it in more than one place. So if we can draw any vertical line that would hit the graph more than once, it's not a function. Okay, so we want to look at these four graphs and decide, are they a function? And one way I like to think about it is think about holding a pen vertically to it and kind of going along the function. And is there any place where it would hit it in more than one spot? So let's look at this one. If we draw some vertical lines, would any of these vertical lines hit the graph, this is kind of like the square root graph we saw earlier, in more than one place? And they don't. They only hit it in one place, or those vertical lines might not even hit the graph. So this graph is a function. Okay, now what about this circle? If we look at the circle, there are some vertical lines that we can draw that would hit the graph in two places. So this is not a function. We'd say it fails the vertical line test. Okay, here's a parabola like we saw before, and it passes the vertical line test. These vertical lines all hit it in only one place, so yes, it is a function. In this graph, same thing. If we think about going along it and we think about vertical lines, they would each only hit in one place. So yes, it is a function. It passes the vertical line test.